Hey guys, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of person assessments and how a user would log in, create a profile, and pick an assessment. So I'm just going to log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in as myself because I know I don't have an account. And then I'm going to click on create an application. And then you'll see a list of assessments. And these assessments just give you a list of criteria that help you determine which application you're qualified for. So I'm going to go ahead and pick full application here. Start that assessment. And now it says we aren't sure who you are because my Windows Live account does not have an account in Alinity. So it's asking me to fill out this person profile form. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in Joe Public. He is male, and I'm navigating completely by keyboard, by the way. 123 Any Street. And I live in Edmonton, and as I start typing Edmonton, it looks up the right Edmonton. And I don't have a postal code because I'm homeless. So I'm going to press continue. And so now it's created my assessment. You'll see that it has not been submitted, and you'll see the create date exactly. And so I can go ahead and I can click on this. And so now you see that I have a bunch of declarations I have to make in order to complete this assessment. I declare that I am of sound mind and body. And so now at any point in time, I can say I don't have time to do this right now. Save it as a draft. Go back. You know, if I log out and I log back in again, it's going to bring me back in and show me right away that I have a pending assessment and has not been submitted and when it was created and whatnot. So I can go back in here and you'll see the ones that I answered before are green, so I don't have to answer those again. So I'll keep going down here. And I'm actually going to leave this one blank for now. Oops. I'll leave that one blank. Let's continue. I should have picked a shorter assessment. Okay. So I've made all my declarations. Let's see if the gods deem me worthy. So I'm actually just going to leave this one blank here. I'm going to press save. Then I'm going to try to submit this to the college. So you see that I get an error message saying that I have not met the minimum criteria for the college to successfully review this application. And so if I look down at the list here, I'll see, oh, okay, this one is required before the college can review it. So that just means that when this assessment was created, the college decided that this particular question needed to be answered before they would even look at the assessment. So I'm going to go ahead and answer that, press save again, and then I'm going to try to submit this to the college again. I'm going to clear this error first. So submit to college. Boom. And now you see pending college review. So now it's in the college's hands and they're going through my criteria and making sure that everything I put in is all fine and well. And they're going to be adding feedback and stuff, but my partner in crime Art will cover that in another video. Now just because the assessment is submitted does not mean that I can't click on it and go in here and change some of these criteria if I want. You know, that option is still there. You'll notice that it says this assessment is currently undergoing college review. And that is the long and the short of it. Pretty quick, pretty easy. Thank you very much.